Hi, we're gonna do the Ղուզու Itchi. Ղուզու Itchi is the minced meat with rice and cinnamon. It's lovely, it's full of vitamins because we have a lot of nuts, roasted nuts on it. You can do it as a main dish for your invitation, really nice one, or you can do a daily dish. It's as you wish. You can put it next to a chicken or next to a nice gigot or something. Today we're gonna do it, I have a chicken, so I'm gonna decorate my chicken with my rice. So what we need for it is, of course, the rice, minced meat. You can check our video how to do it, okay? We have pine seeds inside, so I didn't put pine seeds. I put some cashew, some pistachio, almonds, of course, our red pepper, butter, salt, and lots of cinnamon. I have my chicken stock that I will start to on the heat. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put my minced meat that is already cooked in my pan, just heat it. I want it to give some softness and taste for the rice. I'm gonna add my butter. My red pepper. Lots of cinnamon, because the rice we want to have it a little bit dark color. Salt. Want to fry a little bit my rice before I add the chicken stock. Look, the color already is darker. It's the cinnamon and the taste and the flavor of it. It's wonderful. What I like to do is I like to diminish my chicken stock. I put half water, half chicken stock. I like it lighter. This is almost 2 cups. This is my chicken stock. I'm gonna add on it water. You can add vegetable stock. Last stir. I don't want the rice to give all the starch. I want it to have like nice, beautiful rice. So I want to put this one here on medium heat and give time to our rice to cook. Meanwhile, I'm gonna roast my almond seeds half roasted. My pistachio, cashew nuts, and just roast it a bit. We're gonna give like 10-12 minutes to the rice to cook. My rice is there. Look, if I do like this, there is no water, very little water, that I will absorb it with my clean towel. Just put a clean towel on it, thick, you know, it will absorb the extra water and allow your rice to cool. As I said, I roasted the chicken and I've done a nice deglaçage sauce. You can watch my video for this. Look how beautiful color it is. We're gonna get the rice. I didn't stir it before because I don't want the rice to be sticky. And here you go. Look how beautiful it is. The color, the pine seeds, all are in there. Juicy, not dry, perfect. Want to put a little bit down so that I put the chicken on it. Then we create a bed of rice. I will put my chicken as it is. Nicely done. Now we continue to put rice around it. And my nuts. It will give color and taste. The taste would be great because it's gonna be crunchy and juicy inside. It's yummy already. So this is my dish. And voila, you have a perfect dish. And this is my sauce. Next to it would be nice. I just want to have a small taste of my rice. The rice, the smell already is perfect. the cinnamon inside is wow. And as you see, it's easy, it's fun, and it's yummy. You just have to try it. It's really easy and yummy. Try it.